Hi, I'm Bob Campbell with Alliance Solutions Group, and I'd like to share some best practices with you for your local emergency planning committee related to something we call the Community Preparedness Workshop. What is a Community Preparedness Workshop? Well, the objectives are to identify the at risk populations that are located around extremely hazardous substance facilities that could be impacted more adversely if there's a release from one of these facilities. Once we identify that, we want to look at how we can prioritize different types of outreach activities to address those disparities that might occur and have better outcomes. That would include developing strategies, that would include looking at various socioeconomic factors and vulnerable groups that might be impacted. One of the tools that we utilize is FEMA's Resilience Analysis Planning Tool. Comes packed with 22 different indicators for various socioeconomic groups, demographics, and they also have a composite value for the Community Resilience Challenges Index that can be of assistance. So, what do we do? Well, we take a look at all the EHS facilities in a community, look at the plume model footprints around that facility and which communities might be impacted at the census tract level, and then look at the CRCI, the Community Resilience Challenges Index, and what different types of groups might be impacted more than others so that strategies can be developed that are more effective and prioritized. For example, take this segment of the population, those without a high school diploma. Before, during, and after an incident, there are distinct strategies that can be developed for communication, resource allocation, evacuation, sheltering, public outreach and education, health and medical services, transportation access, financial assistance, as well as community partnerships. By addressing these, we can have better or more improved outcomes for each of these different 22 segments of the population that might be more adversely impacted. So this brings together community stakeholders, whether that's non-governmental organizations, the public sector, the public, possibly even some of the EHS facilities, to come up with these strategies in a cross-functional setting and then be able to take action to improve preparedness and resilience within the community. If you want to learn more about a community preparedness workshop or host one in your community, reach out to me. I'm Bob Campbell with Alliance Solutions Group. Here's my phone number, my email, and you can scan that QR code and learn more about the different offerings that our company has for local emergency planning committees.